Hi everybody. I am so happy to say congratulations that you've made it this far in the class and that you've hopefully completed the final project. We have all come a really long way from the plain pages that we began with to something that's really styled. I hope you've learned a little bit of theory and a little bit of practice and you're putting it together to create something really unique. So at this point, you might be wondering, what next? I've gone through the HTML class maybe, and I've definitely just finished the CSS class. What can I do to continue my own progress as a web designer? Well, first, I would really encourage you to consider creating your own site from scratch. Draw it out, style it, do all the little things that you wanted to do, but you didn't because you were too busy doing the assignments. Once you've done that, you can continue to practice your skills. One of the things people often ask me is, I want to get a job as a web designer. What should I do? Well, when you go and you talk to other people about web design, they're going to want to know, what are you working on right now? So whether it may be just working on transitions, transforms, accessibility, you should always have something that you're thinking about your site to work on right now. You're also probably at this point ready to join a meetup or different workshops. You're not at web developer status yet. You're not really close because you need more practice, you need more experience. But what you can do is you know enough that you can meet up with other web designers and talk to them about what they're doing. It's a great way to find out what's happening right now and to make connections, because connections are so important. There's also a group called Girls Develop It that's nationwide, and they often hold workshops. You are definitely ready to volunteer to be a TA and work with others as they build their own HTML and CSS skills. Also, if you're really interested in continuing your knowledge, you're going to want to learn about using JavaScript to add some interactivity to your site. The last thing you may want to think about is learning more about what's called responsive design. Responsive design will use the CSS that you've been learning all this time and tailor it to the different viewports. You might want your page to look different on a mobile platform versus a laptop versus a tablet. Responsive design does more than just show you, hey, you can make things smaller, bigger. You think about what really belongs on the page to best make your page accessible to others. So again, congratulations and thank you for helping each other out on the discussion boards and in other ways as you all created something great in CSS 3.